Hi everybody, and welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. Today I do have the OPPO Reno 14 and I'm going to tell you how to fix that your auto brightness is not working in your phone. So actually this issue is quite common on these phones, especially only for the OPPO Reno 14s, and I had the same issue, that's why I know how to fix that. At first, I do recommend to go into the settings and display and disable and enable the auto brightness option. This should reset your setting, quite useful as you might think. And yes, that's why I do recommend to disable and enable the adaptive brightness again. Apart from that, you can take the microfiber cloth and clean the camera over here. Just clean this area over here. This should fix the issue. It's because sometimes it gets dirty and gets the environment wrong. And apart from that, here, if you do have some screen protector that is very tough, anti-reflexive or something like that, or some liquid, or I don't know what types of screen protectors there are now, but if you do have something that can interfere with your environment and your camera and your light sensor, just take it off. I know that you might pay much for something, but I do recommend to take it off to have your auto brightness working. And apart from that, you can now check if it works. Of course, after cleaning it, it should, as you can see, mine does. But if yours doesn't, you can restart your phone to refresh the sensors. So click the power button and volume up button to get into this menu, and hold this dot to restart your phone to the app where you see this green option. And as I said, this process should refresh your sensors, and now your light sensor should work back again. Now let's check until our phone boots up. Now we can unlock our phone and check if that works. Settings, scroll down to the display and brightness, and disable and enable the auto brightness. As you can see, mine does. What about yours? But if that doesn't work for you, go back to the main menu of the settings and scroll all the way down to the system and update. Tap software update, and here if you do have any update, add your phone. As you can see, I do have no network connection. It's because I don't really need the network connection right now, but you do actually. And if you do have some software update your phone immediately. It's because you can fix some sensor issues about this, and as I said, this is a common issue on these OPPOs, so they may have released any fix in the software, so update your software right now. And as I said, that's it. Hope it helps you, and have a nice day. Goodbye.